How high-value women talk to men. Men love this. In the delicate tapestry of human connection, the art of communication takes center stage, and high-value women emerge as maestros orchestrating the symphony of authentic and meaningful interactions. Beyond scripted words, they weave a narrative of sincerity, respect, and celebration, creating an atmosphere where relationships flourish. As we delve into the nuances of how high-value women talk, we uncover the secrets to their captivating communication style, a style that goes beyond mere words to establish profound connections. Brace yourself for a journey into the heart of interpersonal dynamics, where authenticity, empathy, and celebration converge in the enigmatic communication repertoire of high-value women. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. The power of authenticity. High-value women possess an extraordinary capacity for authentic communication, making it a cornerstone of their interpersonal interactions. Unlike pretentious exchanges, their ability to express thoughts and emotions with genuine sincerity creates a profound connection. This authenticity serves as a magnetic force, drawing men into conversations that feel real and unfiltered. By embracing their true selves, high-value women set the stage for meaningful interactions where trust is nurtured and genuine connections are formed. In a world often characterized by superficiality, the authenticity they bring to the table becomes a refreshing and captivating element. 2. She respects her man regardless. A woman who respects her man regardless of the situation exhibits a deep understanding of his worth as an individual. She recognizes his unique qualities, strengths, and vulnerabilities, and she acknowledges them with sincerity. This acknowledgement creates a safe space for him to be authentic and vulnerable in her presence, knowing that he won't be judged or diminished. Furthermore, such unwavering respect empowers a man to be his best self. He feels valued and appreciated for who he is, which in turn boosts his self-esteem and confidence. With this support, he can pursue his goals and dreams with determination, knowing that he has a partner who believes in him. In challenging times, a woman's respect acts as a stabilizing force. Even when disagreements arise or circumstances become difficult, her respect remains constant. This consistency fosters open and constructive communication, as her man knows that she values his perspective and opinions, even if they differ from her own. Respect is a two-way street, and when a woman consistently respects her man, it often leads to reciprocal respect. In such a relationship, both partners elevate each other, creating a positive feedback loop of admiration and support. 3. The art of listening. High-value women master the intricate art of listening, transforming conversations into genuine exchanges where both parties feel heard and understood. Their attentive approach goes beyond the mere act of hearing. It involves absorbing the nuances of what men share. This active listening fosters an environment of emotional connection, allowing men to express themselves freely. By valuing the power of genuine communication, high-value women create bonds that transcend mere words. Their ability to listen becomes a testament to their commitment to understanding and appreciating the complexities of the individuals they engage with. 4. Communication as a celebration. For high-value women, communication is not just a means of conveying information. It's a celebration of the unique qualities and achievements of the men in their lives. Expressing admiration and acknowledgement becomes an art form, creating an atmosphere where men feel genuinely seen and valued. This celebration is not confined to grand gestures, but permeates everyday conversations, lifting the spirits of those involved. High-value women understand the significance of positive communication in relationships, actively contributing to an uplifting and positive dialogue that reinforces mutual appreciation and understanding. 5. Active listening. Active listening is a powerful and essential communication skill that goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves fully engaging with the speaker and understanding the message on a deeper level. High-value individuals, including women, recognize the significance of active listening in their interactions with others, and it plays a pivotal role in building meaningful connections, showing nonverbal cues of interest, such as nodding or leaning in, and refraining from interrupting. High-value individuals make a conscious effort to create a safe and open space for the speaker to express themselves without judgment or interruption. Furthermore, active listening involves empathy, the ability to understand and share the emotions of another. High-value individuals seek to comprehend not only the words spoken, but also the underlying feelings and perspectives. This empathetic connection fosters a sense of validation and understanding in the speaker, deepening the bond between both parties. 6. Flirtatious banter and playfulness. In the intricate dance of high-value communication, flirtatious banter and playfulness become key elements that add charm to interactions. High-value women understand the art of injecting humor, light teasing, and playful banter into their conversations. This not only creates an enjoyable atmosphere, but also contributes to the establishment of a connection that transcends formality. The ability to infuse a sense of fun into communication makes high-value women irresistible companions as they navigate the intricate nuances of romantic conversations with effortless and magnetic charm. 7. Empathy and emotional connection. Possessing an innate ability to empathize, high-value women step into the emotional landscapes of the men they engage with. This empathy goes beyond mere understanding. It involves a profound connection to the emotions and experiences of the other person. By expressing genuine empathy, high-value women create connections that resonate on a deeper, more meaningful level. This emotional depth becomes a cornerstone of their communication style, fostering bonds rooted in shared emotions and mutual support. 8. Encouragement and support. High-value women actively express a genuine desire to uplift and support the men in their lives. Recognizing the significance of encouragement, they provide positive reinforcement and genuine support. This nurturing approach creates an atmosphere where men feel motivated and empowered to pursue their goals and dreams. Beyond mere romantic involvement, high-value women contribute to the establishment of a partnership where both individuals actively contribute to each other's growth. Their words become a source of inspiration, fostering a connection that flourishes in an environment of encouragement and unwavering support. In the grand theater of human relationships, the role of high-value women as communicators is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Through authenticity, mutual respect, and the art of celebration, they paint vibrant canvases of connection, leaving indelible impressions on the hearts of those they engage with. The dance of flirtatious banter, the melody of empathy, and the harmonious support they offer contribute to a rich communication tapestry that transcends the ordinary. As we conclude our exploration into the world of high-value communication, we are left with an appreciation for the profound impact that sincere and intentional interactions can have on the fabric of relationships. In embracing the lessons from high-value women, we not only understand the dynamics of meaningful communication, but also glimpse the transformative power it holds in forging connections that stand the test of time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.